Hello and welcome everybody. Hope you all are doing well. But this video is going to be a little different from other videos in my channel. This is going to be a DIY homemade toner making video. Now in this video I have made 3 toners which is completely made of DIY products which are available in your kitchen and pretty much accessible for everybody. This is going to be budget friendly and very effective for all the skin type. You may have oily, dry, combination or acne prone skin. I have at least one for all of you. So without any further ado, I will straight dive into the video without wasting your time. And most importantly, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's start the video. First of all, you will need a bowl of rice, and this much quantity is appropriate for at least 1 week of storage. So you can take the regular rice in a bowl. The next step is to make a paste out of this rice, and you will need a bit of distilled water. Why I'm saying a distilled water? Because that's the purest form of water. This is what you are supposed to use on your face, on your skin. So these two are our primitive need. You will also need a spray bottle or any bottle where you are planning to store your rice water toner, and here it is. Then we need this paste to be into the bottle. We will pour it into the bottle, and this much will be the quantity exactly. And this has to be 1/4 of the bottle, and this is the kind of measurement you need to follow exactly. And after that, the water that we have kept in a bowl, we have to pour it into the bottle. As you can see, you can store it in a spray bottle for your convenience. You can store it in a normal bottle, or you can store it in a normal bowl, wherever you feel comfortable. This is it. Our rice water toner is ready. This is basically the concentrate and the water above that. And whenever you are going to use it, you have to shake it well and use it. This is very good for the dull skin, for aged skin, or for wrinkly skin. This actually works pretty well for your skin. At the same time, if you want to use it on your face or on your body for a bit of extra glow, then definitely this is so perfect. At the same time, if you want to use it as a mix of the face pack, you can also use this. This is basically a multi-purpose toner. You can store it into the refrigerator. The moment it will get fermented, it will be more beneficial for your skin, for your facial skin, for your body skin, and however you want to use it. And this is it. Our rice water toner is ready, and this is the exact way how you need to prepare the rice water toner. So our next toner is going to be the clove water toner, for which you will be needing some cloves and a bit of distilled water, and that's it. Not too many ingredients are needed. Clove is not just for sensitivity. A lot of people think that clove water only works on acne and pimple, which is a half truth, but it also works on aging skin that has dullness, that has wrinkles, that has no youthful glow or elasticity into it. So if you are someone who is above 30 or who is near 30, or someone who have very dry and sagging skin, they can also go for this. Otherwise, if you have sensitivity, acne and pimple, then this water is going to work like a magic for you. So here it is, our clove water, which is overnight soaked and cooled down. This smells so amazing. It feels so refreshing. Whenever you will put it on your face, you will instantly feel that recharge to your skin. It is extremely refreshing, especially for summertime. This toner is going to be your best friend. You can put it in a refrigerator to make it last long, for a really long time. But I will definitely suggest you to put it or to store it for 1 week and not more than that. So here is our bottle of the toner, which is ready to be used. You can use it at any point of time of the day. There is no boundary of using it. As many times as you want to use it, you can go for that as well. Because this is completely safe and extremely natural and very refreshing, especially appropriate for the summertime. If you're someone who have extremely irritated skin, redness going on every single day, you have active acne or little bumps or comedones on your skin, or if you have very sagging skin or aging skin or excessively dry skin, then this water is going to be very much beneficial for you. And this one, you can put it into the refrigerator for at least 1 week. So no worry, you don't have to make it again and again. You can make it once and store it for at least 1 week in the refrigerator. And this one is very handy. You can put it in a spray bottle and use it. Next toner is going to be made out of neem leaves, raw neem leaves. This toner is specifically made for the oily and sensitive skin, especially during the summer. This toner is going to be very beneficial and budget friendly for you. This toner will be made up of neem leaves. So you need to collect some neem leaves in a bowl. And after that, you have to make a paste out of the neem leaves, and you don't have to mix anything else into this bowl. Neem leaves are quite potent and strong, and this mixture is a complete concentrate of the neem leaves. Nothing is mixed into it, so it is not diluted at all. This paste you have to pour it into a bottle, which is handy for you and convenient for you. And again, the ratio has to be 1/4 of this concentrate. And water. You will need some distilled water again to mix this two up and to make a toner. Here is our neem toner, which is ready to be stored in a bottle. Again, this toner is very beneficial for the sensitivity in general. In case you have oily skin or acne prone skin, or even if you have combination to dry skin, then also you can use it if you have sensitivity into the skin due to the sun exposure or extreme chemical usage or for some other reasons. This toner is pretty much concentrated. Neem is itself a very strong active. So whenever you are using it, make sure you can dilute it with some other product. It will be more beneficial for your skin. And in case if you have allergy with neem, then stay away from this as well. It is going to be the most perfect product if you use it in a face pack. Suppose you are doing something, you're making something which is antibacterial, which is good for your skin sensitivity, then you can also add this neem water as a mixture into the face pack and you can use it. It is going to be the most beneficial in that way, first of all. Otherwise, if you do not have any problem with skin allergies or something like that with neem, then you can directly use it or spray it on your skin. This also is going to make your skin look very fresh. At least neem, in case of my skin, it gives a very refreshing and very clear skin, brighter skin in general. I hope you liked it, so stay tuned with me for such effective and budget friendly ideas in my channel, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all are doing well. We'll be back very soon in this channel with a new video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you so much.